Hi guys, today we review a very interesting item. This is the ACO ASA Profile Clear Polycarbonate Keycap Set. Whew, that was a long one. This is the first time we're going to feature a keycap set in our channel. Yes, we do mechanical keyboard reviews but not its components, so I guess this is a start. Now let's do the unboxing. One thing I noticed is that ACO did a great job in packaging this keycap set. As you can see, there are foams in each layer of the keycap tray. For me, this is great because it feels premium. Aside from the keycaps, there are free keycap puller as well. Like the keycap set included in my ACO ACR61, this set covers almost all of the keyboard layouts. By the way, we'll install this keycap on my ACO ACR61, which has ACO Jelly Black switches. Please take note that this keyboard is all stock and no modifications were done. Also, later we'll try to install some ACO CS Lavender switches that were pre-lubed by the company, and we'll check the sound when this keycap set is already mounted. Like I said in the intro, this item is very interesting, and the reason is the material used on it. The keycaps we're used to seeing in the market are ABS and PBT, and this one is different. The material ACO used is polycarbonate. You can easily notice it because of the glossy build of each keycap. As keyboard enthusiasts, one thing that we worry about is if the printing will fade easily. Well, this certainly needs a follow-up video because we need more time to check if the printing will fade easily or not. If you look at the inclusions, there are artisan keys included in the package. Also, there are keys for Mac computers like the command and option keys. This is great, especially if you're into Mac computers. ACO really did a good job in this one because they considered Mac users as well. Now let's compare this keycap set to my ACO ACR61 keycaps. At first glance, you'll notice that it's thinner compared to the double-shot PBT keycaps of ACR61. Also, there's a weird feeling when you touch it. It kinda feels smooth and a bit greasy. I said greasy because sometimes my fingers get sweaty or oily, so this might be the reason why I feel greasy upon touching the keycaps. This keycap set is ASA profile, which is good for me. Also, it's translucent and allows the keyboard lighting to illuminate the keys of your keyboard. This is great for people like me who like to work in dim or dark rooms. Now, here's what it looks like when the RGB lighting is turned on. Now, if we're going to choose between this set or the pudding keycap set, I'll definitely choose this one over the pudding keycaps. However, there's one drawback that I noticed. If the keycap has two characters printed on it, for example the number 2 and the @ sign, the lower part is unreadable when you're in dimmer environment and you switch on your keyboard lighting. Maybe because of the keycap color, which is black. I don't know if this is the same with the white variant. So if you have the white colorway, please put a comment below if you also experience this. Now let's do the sound test. Overall, it's a good keycap set. In my opinion, this is way better than pudding keycaps. However, there's still room for improvement. Hopefully, ACO will address the issue I mentioned earlier. I guess this is just a minor issue and we can do a workaround. And that's it guys, we've reached the end part now. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Till our next, goodbye.